Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll cover this amazing lab. So simply click on Start Lab. Right click and open the console incognito window. Now simply click on it to activate the Cloud Shell. One more important thing, if you get any pop-up, just click on I understand and agree and continue. Now here simply click on continue and then authorize yourself. Also do like the video and just subscribe the channel. Now once the lab is started, let me increase the text size, and in the description box of this video I've shared this repository. You have to simply select it, GitHub dash, paste it, hit enter. Now here one important thing, if you are asking how to enable the yellow check my progress bar, check the video description. Okay, I have shared how to enable check my progress bar. Now this will take around 10 to 15 minutes, so wait for it. So finally, after waiting for 10 to 15 minutes, all these tasks will be done. Okay, now simply come to the lab instruction and simply check the score. And if you are wondering how to enable the yellow check my progress bar, check the description how to enable check my progress bar. Do like the video and just subscribe the channel.